After the successful training of over 30 youths in 2021 in Art for Peace, the National PCC Peace Office this time brought together 16 youths from Sunday the 6th to Wednesday the 9th of November 2022 in Limbe.
The program this time is not too different from last year. The participants will be able to step up, especially in the area of advocacy, using forum theater to pass on a message, particularly the message of oppression, suppression within the ongoing socio-political crisis in the country. I'm convinced that the persons who have come as participants from Yaoundé, Bamenda, Mamfe, Boya, even here in Limbe, they're going to use this knowledge and to empower their society.
Money, no go give up. Talk, you no go show point. Wait to be a problem. The king so.
Using art to preach peace is an approach used by the PCC Peace Office. Given the feedback gotten on the field after the first training, there was need for another phase.
This is the second phase of this activity we are carrying out. Remember, back in 2021, we had a similar activity. Many persons found this particular strategy in promoting peace very, very important, and as such, they expressed interest that if we could extend this project to other communities, to bring in more youths who can use theater to impact their communities. This is an activity which allows you as a youth, as an influencer, community influencer for that matter, to be able to make a clear critique of your community based on some form of forum theater where there is plays and activities carried out to show oppression and how this oppression can be redressed.
The participants at the workshop acquired skills on forum theater, also known as theater of the oppressed, a form of theater that encourages audience interaction and exploits different options for dealing with problems.
Theater of the oppressed, as coined by Augusto Bo, has been used for centuries now to transform lives, communities, and countries around the world. And forum theater is that form of art that can simultaneously bring different perspectives to the same fore at the same time. That's the beauty of forum theater, because when it helps to create that platform where different voices are speaking all at the same time, you cannot deny the other person's point of view. You can try to look at where the person is coming from, and then you have a better understanding and you can better accept the person's views.
The trainees, on their part, are expected to put in use the skills gotten from the workshop.
It has been interesting because they make us understand how to manage conflict and how to bring in peace in time of conflict. I am an active youth group member, CYF to be precise, and I believe that is my first forum where I will start with, because when I'm going to get them for us to do the theater of the oppressed, I believe that when we learn, we are going to share it now to the congregation, and I believe from there we are going to take it to the next level.
I have been equipped, and I think that adding from the knowledge I've had from other previous workshops or training that the PCC has offered me and many others in peace building, I think I'm going on my own, in my own small effort, try to build up other community members where we're going to be torchbearer in order to ensure that peace reign in our society, peace reign in our country.
The PCC Peace Office is determined to see that peace is extended to all parts of Cameroon and beyond.
The PCC Peace Office is not a seasonal office. We are a structure that works daily on peace work. And as we round up the year, we are strategizing not only on slogans, but on strategies on how we can do more advocacy in the area of community peace clubs, more advocacy involving schools, more advocacy involving our congregations, more advocacy involving the communities where we have our people who have gone through pain. And of course, we are also preparing to help our various community on the post-conflict area, hoping that the Anglophone crisis will definitely come to an end. The Cameroonians will go about living a new life, and we will also go about to see how we sustain the peace that we all hope 2023 is going to bring.
After this training, other arts-related workshops are expected to be organized by the PCC Peace Office with the main aim of training actors for peace.